Hi there. Thanks very much for tuning in to my video today. Just very quickly, I wanted to say that we're very excited to be applying for our credit license through ASIC. I'm more so excited that credit repair is going to be more regulated. I did have a meeting with Treasury 2 or 3 years ago now, and I did ask them to look at more regulation within our industry. So, and further to a few conversations with ASIC as well, we're pleased to announce that we will be applying for our credit license. It's completely business as normal at Credit Fix Solutions, and our lawyers will have all the paperwork in by the deadline. I'll keep you posted on our progress, but we are very excited to have this. Hopefully it stops all of the not so great credit repair companies out there from doing pretty bad work for consumers. So yeah, look, we're very excited. Any questions, you can email me or reach out or give me a call. But yeah, like I said, business is normal, and we'll keep you posted on our application. Have a great day.